Welcome back, car enthusiasts. In today's video, we're diving into the world of automotive rarities as we count down the top 8 rarest cars that have ever graced the roads. From one-of-a-kind prototypes to limited edition supercars, these machines are the epitome of automotive exclusivity. So buckle up and let's explore some of the most coveted and unique cars in history. The Superbird is a rare gem in automotive history, meticulously designed to comply with NASCAR homologation rules. Its striking aerodynamic profile features a high rear spoiler and a distinctive elongated nose, making it instantly recognizable. While over 2,700 Superbirds were manufactured, only 135 were equipped with the formidable 426 V8 Hemi engine. This powerhouse delivers 425 horsepower at 4,500 RPM and peaks at an impressive 550 horsepower at 5,800 RPM, allowing it to rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.8 seconds. In 2022, the allure of the Hemi Superbird reached new heights when one was auctioned for a staggering $1.65 million in Las Vegas. Ford R-Code, the underdog's roar. In a different corner of the racing world stood the Ford R-Code, a high-performance version of the Fairlane 500. Built to dominate the NHRA and IHRA superstock racing circuits, this car housed a formidable 427 cubic-inch V8 engine, complete with dual 4-barrel carburetors. Though officially underrated at 425 horsepower, whispers in the garage hinted at an actual output closer to 500. As the R-Code roared to life, it could dart from 0 to 60 in just 4.9 seconds, shattering the quarter-mile mile in under 11 seconds. Yet only 57 of these masterpieces were painted in the iconic Wimbledon white, each one a symbol of raw power and racing ambition. Chevrolet Z11, a drag racer's dream. The Chevrolet Z11, designed specifically for drag racing and NASCAR enthusiasts, was no ordinary Impala. Under its sleek, full-size body lay a 427 cubic-inch V8 engine, capable of unleashing 430 horsepower and a staggering 575 pound-feet of torque. Despite its length, 17.5 feet, this beast weighed in at a mere 3,390 pounds, allowing it to rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.3 seconds and conquer the quarter mile in an astonishing 10.8 seconds. As the first stock drag car to exceed 120 miles per hour in a quarter-mile run, the Z11 became an icon of speed, with only 57 units ever crafted, making it the most elusive version of the Impala. Pontiac GTO Judge, a final chapter. The 1971 Pontiac GTO Judge convertible marked the end of an era. With only 357 units produced, of which just 17 were convertibles, this car was a collector's dream. The refreshed design and engine modifications gave it a fierce personality, despite government regulations limiting its 455 HO engine to just 335 horsepower. Equipped with a standard 4-speed manual transmission and an optional 3-speed automatic, the Judge convertible still offered impressive performance and distinctive styling that turned heads on every corner. Plymouth Hemi Cuda, the Holy Grail. The 1971 Plymouth Hemi Cuda convertible is one of the rarest muscle cars ever built, boasting a powerful 426 cubic inch Hemi V8 engine that produced 425 horsepower and 490 pound-feet of torque. In a world where only 6,228 CUDA hardtops and 374 convertibles rolled off the line, the rarity of the Hemi version made it a holy grail among collectors. Among these, the 4-speed manual Hemi CUDA convertibles are the pinnacle of exclusivity, with only 3 ever produced. Today, these coveted pieces of automotive history command astronomical prices, with well-preserved models fetching millions at auction. Ford King Cobra. A dream that never was. Cobra was designed to be a powerhouse in NASCAR, but it never hit the track. Political struggles within the company and budget cuts led to the project's untimely cancellation just before the 1970 season. Only 3 prototypes were built, with just one featuring a 4-speed manual gearbox. Originally intended to house a 460 cubic inch V8, the King Cobra was later fitted with a 429 V8, aimed at producing an astounding 700 horsepower. Its legacy lingers, a reminder of what could have been. Chevrolet Corvette. ZL1. The rare breed. The 1969 Corvette ZL1 was created to replace the revered L88, powered by an all-aluminum 427 V8 engine that weighed about 100 pounds less than its predecessor. It produced between 560 and 585 horsepower, enabling breathtaking 0 to 60 miles per hour sprints in just 4 seconds. Due to its steep price tag exceeding $10,000, only 2 were ever sold, making it a true collector's item. Chevrolet L88, the hidden power. Enter the Chevrolet L88, a race-ready machine engineered for the track. Equipped with an aluminum radiator, heavy-duty brakes, and a close-ratio 4-speed manual transmission, it boasted a high-performance 427 cubic inch V8 engine. Officially rated at 430 horsepower, this powerhouse was truly a hidden gem, capable of reaching up to 560 horsepower when tested. With only 20 units produced in 1967, one L88 made headlines when it sold for a staggering $3.85 million at auction, solidifying its legacy as one of the most valuable Corvettes ever built. Thank you for joining me on this thrilling journey through the tales of these remarkable machines, each one a testament to engineering excellence and the relentless pursuit of speed. If you enjoyed the journey, be sure to like and subscribe for more fascinating stories about automotive legends and their remarkable histories.